Hello folks and welcome back. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our dashboard pouch kit for the Can-Am Spyder RT. Need an easily accessible storage pouch? Well, this 3-piece dash storage pouch kit is perfect for those of you looking for a little extra storage space on your Spyder RT. This storage pouch has been specifically designed to contour the lines of the RT dashboard and includes 3 individual storage bags. The larger rectangular one in the center is 9 by 6 by 2 inches, and the other 2 triangular corner bags are 5 inches by 4 by 1.5 inches. These marine vinyl bags utilize the dash area on your Spyder RT, providing you with an easy to access storage area that is perfect for things like your phone, keys, wallet, or any other small trinkets that you need quick access to. Each bag mounts to the dash with a simple Velcro style hook and loop system, making installation a breeze. So start by first test fitting the bags in position to see how they line up. Next, thoroughly clean the area of the dashboard with an alcohol wipe. Remove the protective film from the Velcro strips on the large center bag first. Line it up where you want it and firmly press it down into position. Then all you really need to do is repeat that same process for the other 2 corner bags and you're good to go. So if you're looking to add some extra storage space to your Spyder RT, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time. Found it! I knew it was there. Whole time.